Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to the Polyglot grind once again. As everyone can see, I'm making this video in a different place. I had to make the video in the bathroom because it's really loud downstairs and I didn't want to get other people's conversations and voices in the video, so I just came up here because it's quieter. And yeah, I'm really sorry with my voice. I'm kind of sick right now. I have a bit of a cold, so I'm sorry if I don't sound that clear. But I'll do my best to speak as clearly as possible, despite the fact that I have a cold. Anyway, I'm making this video because I'm thinking about doing another 1 month challenge. This time I'd like to try and learn Catalan, because I was in Barcelona for about 2.5 days, and it just seemed like a really interesting language, and the culture also seemed pretty interesting, and I feel like it'd be a lot more interesting to learn about their culture through their language instead of cheating, I guess, and going through Spanish. Even though all the people in Barcelona speak Spanish and Catalan, I still feel like it'd be a lot better to just learn their language and learn about their culture through their language. And yeah, I wasn't exposed to that much Catalan while I was in Barcelona. Although it was on menus, and subway station names seemed to all be in Catalan and everything. But I noticed that even the Catalan people seem to speak amongst themselves in Spanish, which really surprised me, because I was expecting to arrive and then everybody would be speaking Catalan, and then there wouldn't be really that much Spanish unless I asked. But now a lot of the people spoke in Spanish amongst themselves, and then I did hear Catalan a couple times on the streets, and I noticed when I'd walk into a store, the people would I think they greet me in Catalan. I'm not really sure, because Spanish people and Catalan people both say hola, so I wasn't really sure. I noticed, I may be incorrect, but I noticed when people say hello in Catalan, it seems to sound slightly different than when you say hola in Spanish. So I'm not really sure what language they're greeting me in. Yeah. So from the little bit of Catalan that I've heard, it seems really similar to Spanish, French, and Portuguese, and I'm conversant in all three of those. So this might not really be that big of a challenge, because if it's similar to these three languages as I'm expecting it to be, then it probably won't be that difficult. But on the other hand, it could also be extremely difficult. It could seem similar at first glance, but then actually be very difficult, and very different. So I'm gonna have to wait and see, I guess. Today is April 3rd, and I'm gonna start this challenge either today or tomorrow, and then I'm probably gonna upload a 1 week update, a half a month update hopefully, and then another video at the end of the month showing my progress. And then if this goes as well as I'm hoping, and I enjoy the language, then I'll probably learn it for longer than 1 month. And yeah, we're just gonna have to wait and see until the end of the month. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and progress videos coming hopefully soon.